Hey everyone, here's the spoon you saw me working on this evening. This spoon is for Flux. This container has borax. When I'm forge welding, this borax gets sprinkled on the metal to keep it free of contaminants and to keep the metal clean for forge welding. This is the spoon I've been using for a while now, and you can see it's pretty short. I made this a while ago now, and so I needed a longer one, which is what I was working on tonight, so that way I can keep my fingers further back from the hot metal, and this has a better scoop to it, so I can get in here better, get the flux, sprinkle it on the metal, and keep my fingers far away from the hot metal. This is a project I've needed to do for a couple of years now, so finally getting around to it. Figured I'd do a little something simple and easy for myself tonight and take you all along for the journey.